I'm inside. Listen me no man, I'm no reason with my good and true. I tell me no for scam, then tell me where we are go do.
Hey boss,
I see now you have to know that.
he said I'm chopping for my work here.
Yo, I hear that song a day after I release, and I say, yo, Africa and get that song a video, yeah. Official review. But I can't just give one regular music review, bro. Like, yo, that message is deep. Yo, I can go in.
Hey boss,
I see now you have to know that.
he said I'm chopping for my work here.
Leave no man.
That is going to elevate and not see you to your grave.
So as we can see, artists draw for your speech, for be the theme, for be the center of the conversation, while I'm draft the whole idea, the whole concept of the song and the video around, which I really like. In his speech, here Andrew say, you know, hey boss man, which I youth them, I direct it to, you know, most of Jamaican youth them. Now, it's a common knowledge to anybody all over Jamaica or even after Jamaican diaspora. We have so many talented, educated, skillful, you name it, youths where, it even have to be youths, but we have a lot of people in Jamaica who are unemployed, and for the few or the majority, whichever way you want to look upon it, who actually do employed, majority of that number are people who really find it hard to survive and barely make ends meet. But the next thing what the artists do is station this in the streets. I like that. Even the TV, as I can see him put on a post in the streets, and he have it a play up on one of them first time TV there. And even that, I think, add to the authenticity of the video, because just meds it from the average 95 Jamaican perspective. You know, we might find it hard to believe some of it, but some people still have the actual TV or the yard right now, or I want one corner shop, or one bar, you know. I watch the same speech here when it come out. So imagine now, put yourself in them people's shoes. You see Andrew, I give a speech there, you know, hey boss man, you know, come over here so I chat to you. Instead of you go take up the phone and go chop a line, you know, do something. Which, you know, it all sound nice and fairy tale like, and put it that way there. And go that's well a reason for a second, you know. Make cooler heads prevail and nobody forward with the bag of ignorance. We are talk real life.
Listen me no man, I'm no reason with my good and true. I tell me no for scam, then tell me where we are go do. Tell me the plan, tell me who I go feed me. You come on and see no man and no chicken head in the kubo. Oh, that are the truth. Oh, I see now you for know that. I tell myself don't chop. It's still not good, no job. Listen.
Andrew, I tell we enough is scams, I tell we where we are going to do. But I might sound simple, you know. What makes this? While I must sing that, look how in a video I highlight at the same time. You have all like iglas them. You have all like street side vendor them, fruit vendor them, same time in a video. And I must say, so tell me where we are going to do. And I like say everybody has to have one 9 to 5, as in like one office type of job, you know, and everybody work a call center, you know. You have people out in the street same way. You have a igla them, you have a civil servant them, right? You have a nurse them, you have a teacher them, you have a doctor. Go straight back down to the man them sell nuts and phone card on the side of the road. But notice what all of them jobs they have in common. Unless you're well high ranking and up there, in a majority of them official job there. Just like the nuts man, the teacher find it hard right now. Everybody has struggle. You tell yourself don't scam. Yet still not give away no job. You know, if you know, catch this, that clip the way I show with, you know, a dog in jacket suit and tie and thing, and I go around in a bima, and I go through a community and something that I heal up the people in the community. And you realize people are fan him off. You notice the person in the bima have one clown wig on their head. You see me I say? So basically, again, my pick and highlight how you view, and how many are we view the same politician them way. You know, after they say, you vote for me, I'm going to make a change over here. So, you know, pass through neighborhood, them big vehicle, them big jeep, and I can, you know, anchor and I can wave through window. By the time they gone home, they're nice big house and things get well taken care of. I mean, I say this, we say like, yo, you know, boo-hoo, sub story and this and that, but that's the reality. And before we get the wrong idea and get it twisted, no, we not say, yo, we are endar scamming. But the artists, just like a lot of other people in a film position, are asked the same question. So if me not do this, if me not chop a line, how me I go do that? You get me I say? Because none of the other alternatives here on I present to you, it don't make sense. Why it go make sense? You go choke up in a necktie every day and go work, and in a month you still find it hard to pay rent. Why it make sense you go hustle the streets and sell some clothes in a market, or sell some cabbage and fruits or whatever you want to sell up on a stall, and still I struggle to say that you go to school the next morning. You get me I say? So are some real deep questions. Most people sit on our meds every day. But for the majority, because let's face it, the chopper them in Jamaica, them are the majority. If I compare the total size of the population compared to who actually a chop, them few and kind of far and in between. But that's because it becomes so, you know, sensationalized over the last, I would say 5 to 10 years. Make it seem like so many more choppers there amongst the Jamaican population what actually did it, but really sit down and meds.
Tell me why, 9 to 5, I pay me just enough for I survive. From a birth, me see my granny I fight the fight. She still a fight this day to my surprise.
Meds wire 95, literally just appear just enough if you can just go back to work, eat a little food, do it all over again. Wire 95 appear just enough for you to survive. But I have so many people get up every day. Let's go work feel defeated. No enough people who can't wait for Friday reach. Just forget to 2 little day off them. If you can't go distract themselves, drown their sorrows on one bar, but on one spliff and just breathe a little bit. Dog said, from the day in birth, and you seen Granny a fight, to this day she still a fight the fight. Much I will live and see that, much I will live and see with parents, grandparents, neighbor, how much people go through that regular. Really and truly, brother, if I one thing we have to give this a generation, as in like the new school, the new stature for them, the young youth. Now I'm going to debate whether they're foolish or they're courageous, you know. I know if you say you're Ray, but you have to give it to them, brother. Part of the reason maybe because, you know, some of them don't really have a lot to lose in terms of like, you know, a bag of pitney and these people that depend on you, so. But if I want thing all of them, brother, they make up their mind to say, yo, me nah live this life, I can't suffer like my people, you know. Me nah can't live pauperized and in some condition where, you know. Imagine I get up for years, brother, for you know yourself, for you go to school. After that, you done school and everything. Your mother still a struggle. Your father still can't find him over a while. Brother, it's frustrating. You live in condition that I see him and everybody just a murmur and carry on. You them tired of that.
That's why I'm a try to live a right for life. Keep your hand to mouth cause I eye for eye. Still I hope for better every time I ride.
Should I say this long time, but you have to take a moment and give it to your artist, man. Yo, Rajah well bad with the wordplay, brother. The song overall, yo, it's tough, you know. But I line the way dog say, yo, that's why I'm trying to live a rifle life. Keep your hand to mouth cause I eye for eye. Brother, that wordplay there, wicked, man. Again, we're not endorse that lifestyle, you know. But meds why man I say, keep your hand to mouth, brother. Tired of the live paycheck to paycheck. You see me I say? Eye for eye. Dog eat dog out there in the streets, I dog have to live a rifle life. And that's enough people feel like.
Then tell me where we I go do. Tell me the plan, tell me who I go feed me. When I see no man and a chicken head and a kubu.
That sound like a man make up his man, you know. And again, I'm not there for big him up or for condemn him, bro. You see me I say? Man specifically just say a while ago, man a sinner, man are not chicken in the night coop. So, what me get from that, I think so a man get up and just say, oh, I'm not talk for everybody, so again. But I think the average person get up and say, hey man, a life of crime and badness, definitely. But in an artist book, and why I speak for enough other people and says, yo, prefer be a sinner than be an ex chicken head in a coop, brother, like, where you gonna be a lamb to his slaughter for, bro? Man literally just asks you, who I gonna feed me youth? Why plan? Cause easy if you say no, brother, like, I mean, I want to sound like me just a bash the Prime Minister. But bro, easy if you come on a speech and come say, yeah man, come over here so come get to work and really and thing. Bro, extrapolate that out to everybody, everyday life. Make we see how that go work out. Why pay look like? Cool. Why utility them look like? And what left I pay after that? What travel expense look like? And what left I pay after that? What food left look like? You see me say? Why pick them school fee look like? And what left out of that? Bro, and that's just a tip of the iceberg. So many other expenses will come up in a life where we'd even plan for more while or even expect. So it's a valid question, bro. It might seem like 1 3-4 minute song, but bro, man, tell us, yo, this is deep, man.
I tell myself, don't jump. Get still and argue with no job.
No job will make sense at least.
Listen, I'm a broke. Nobody do it sober. Not true, my young member.
Not true, we young, remember we getting older. Odd man, as me say, if I want thing I read about them, man, in this generation, man. Man, them bull. Man, them go feet. Whether you give them yes or no, man, them go feet. I just want to take this time for just really big up your artists. Put together that phenomenal song. Message, great. Tonality, great. Impact, in my book, great. But we also still. Because we don't want to hear something we want next 9 days talk. But man, tell us, yo. But even they know, say, and it's a no shade to the artist. Because I know, say, Rajah while bad. But man, yo. I rate so we are here, dog, man. You know, something outside and comfort zone. At least to my knowledge. Love to hear when they switch up like this and show us, say, yo. The dog versatile, man. Wicked tune. The song, bad big up yourself, Rajah while.
Tell me easy with my good. Tell me if it's scam. Where we are go. Tell me the plan. Who I go feed me with. Sinner. Man, a chicken head and not cook.
The music video team couldn't find a better way for any song with the message right there up on the screen. But all in all though, for government I really want better for youth them than have some intervention and actually take into consideration not just what they need for survive from a 9 to 5 day to day, but what we actually need for strive in our life. Or if we call ourselves one developing country. When the people them, the product of our country, the youth them our nation, the so-called future tomorrow, now develop themselves.